2 months ago, when I was eating my breakfast, my wife Kate ran inside and she said, "Honey, you got to come out here. We have a big problem." And it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. What in the world could possibly be the issue? Well, this is the issue. My superwoman of a wife ripped off her door handle. Here, let me show you. Just ripped it right off. Well, like I said, that was 2 months ago. And I finally have all of the parts. I had them actually a long time ago, but I didn't have the time to fix it. So today, I'm going to fix it for her. That way we can actually use this door. Now, I can't blame Kate on this. We bought this car knowing that this door was a little screwed up. But I asked the dealership to fix it, and they kind of did a janky half fix. So now we're going to put in a brand new latch and a brand new door handle. And by the end of this, she'll have a working door. Oh, and one more thing. If you didn't know, we have a new supervisor on the set here at Watkins DIY. This is Nessa. She has her own account, and it's Nessa the Golden Mountain Pup for Instagram and for TikTok. Okay, so the first thing that's got to happen is I got to get this door panel off of here. And it's real simple. A couple of hidden clips. A couple of little hidden trap doors. With basic tools, you can get these things out. Oop. And proceed to drop it on the ground. So there's that one. There's that one. Then there's another one here. On some of the more complex doors, you want to actually label where the bolts go, but truthfully, I've taken these things apart at least 20, 30 times. Not this car, but... Oh, I'm missing a bolt there. That's nice. Let's see. Basically, there's just some clips that go all the way around, and that's what holds your door panel on. Then once it's free, we can come up and out. Oh, look at that. There's a wire tie there. That's what the dealership did to try to fix this whole thing. Okay, unplug. I don't think I brought cutters with me. Let's see if I can just break that wire tie off. Curses. There we are. There's that. Take that out. Ta-da. Door panel's off. How am I doing, Nessa? Am I doing a good job? Yeah? What you think, honey? Boy, you can almost barely see her. Okay, so next step is to get this latch out, and then the handle comes out. This is not meant to be a how-to. Just wanted to show you guys how to do it. Or, well, not a step-by-step, I should say. But for anyone wondering, on a 2011 Tahoe, it's a T30 for these latch bolts, and the other bolts I took out were 10 mil. are. Okay, now with it out, you can disconnect all of this stuff here. That pops out like so. And this is a lock for this that has to be popped up on both sides like that. It's been a while since I've worked on one of these cars. Oh, there we are. Crusty. Great. Okay. So, this is the old one that I think was really screwing up. That's what led to the door breaking. Or the door handle breaking, excuse me. Now, last thing is the handle, which is just two 10mm bolts. There's one, and there's two. Okay. What are you still stuck on? Oh, your entire lever mechanism. There's that. Okay. Now we're going to put it all back together. I'll tell you guys, the amount of money that I save by doing all this stuff myself and knowing, well, I wouldn't say I know basic mechanics. It's pretty advanced, but you get the idea. I was a former mechanic, but just the sheer amount of money that I save by doing some of this stuff, it's just freaking awesome. That's what our channel is really about. It's repurposing, reusing, fixing. And just like that, this latch is back in. Cool. Okay, all that's left is the handle. So I'm gonna get that on and I'll show you guys how it all works. Everything is back installed except for the door card. This is a little pro tip from Dad. Don't just close the door without testing it. Take your probe, close it, come on the outside, pull the handle. Aha, see, nothing's happening. Maybe it's locked. Yep, it was just locked. Do that a couple times. Make sure that it works. Make sure that it doesn't work in the locked position. Perfect. Here, I'll get you right up and close so you can see things moving and working here. Click it, pull the handle. Oh, look how smooth that is. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna get the door card back on and I'll show you when I'm done. So everything's working, everything's back together. The only thing I have to do is go down to Brewster Ace Hardware, go get a 10mm bolt. And then I can put this last little cover on, and this project is done. And I gotta put away all my tools.